Oh, hi there, and welcome to my channel. Today we are working with XJ750 project. Today I'm planning to adjust the valves, and after that I will restore the valve cover. I will blast it with my new soda plaster, and after that I will paint it and do some trimming. I hope you enjoyed this one and stay until the end. Let's go. So the first step is to rotate the engine so that the lobes on the camshaft is pointing straight up from the lifter. So if the engine is like this, we can check intake, cylinder 1 intake and cylinder number 2 exhaust. Let's see what the results are. So there is 0.1 millimeter feeler. Oh shit, it's not fitting. Okay. So number 1 exhaust is okay. So if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. So yes, these are basically all too tight. Oh crap. So it seems that all the valves are a bit tight at the moment. So I try to take these shims off from here with with this and wrench and flathead screwdriver and magnet. So let's see if this trick works. So the basic idea is just to jam the valve so that it doesn't lift the bucket all the way up. I will just stuff this from the spark plug side between the valve and the seat, and let's see how this will go. Then I just rotate the engine to the normal counterclockwise direction, and it seems that I got it right in the correct place. So now the bucket is not coming up all the way, and next thing is to try to get that shim out of the lifter. So I will just try to get this just try to lift the shim a bit first, and then I need to get it up so much that I can use the magnet to get it out. Yes, just like that. And where is my magnet? And then we just look up the number from here and write it down to the notebook and put this one back to its place, and then we go through all of these. So if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. So if you wonder how these are put back in, it's just in the reverse order. So I have this shim on the magnet, and be sure to put the numbers downwards so that they don't wipe off from the shim. Then I just put it on the right place, press it or release it from the magnet, and I check that it is in the right place. After that you just rotate the engine and the cam lobe will push it on the right place. And now you can also take the masterpiece off from the cylinder. And as you can see, it's on its place now. So here is the shim thicknesses from the engine, and it seems that I have to take, or I have to order new ones, but I was just thinking that what sizes will I take, and if I look, this is 290 number 3 and number 4 intakes, so I could just move these over here and test them out, as well as rotate these one in the intake 1 and 2. Then I could get out of it with ordering only 4 new ones to the exhaust side. But what shall I take? Shall I take 260s all the way around or something else? What do you think, guys? What should I do? So as we can't continue with the valve adjusting at this moment because I have to order new parts. In the meantime, I think I will just do the valve cover. I will blast it in my new soda blast cabin, and then I will paint it, and we'll go from there. So this is the end result after the painting. So I was thinking that I will just leave it like this, but then I saw same kind of valve cover with the aluminum finishing in these high spots. So I think I will do the same. So I make the last touch with the 600 grit paper and sanding block so that I can get the smooth finish over these. So this is how the valve cover ended up. Quite satisfied with the end result. I used this autosol polishing stuff for the finishing touch, and I think it looks good enough for this stage. So now I have to order right shims to the valve pockets, and so now I have to order the right shims for the lifters, and I'm just wondering how I'm going to resolve what thicknesses I have to take. If you have some kind of advice for that one, please comment it to below. So if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. If you are wondering how we ended up in this stage, please check out the videos from somewhere over here. There is one playlist for the Yamaha build, and then the other is for my CP750 build.